Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story will cover our 12 days of giveaways that we are doing on Instagram. Our second story talks about Alaska Dot and how they are using DJI Dock to mitigate avalanche hazards. And finally, we discuss how the NYPD is using drones to stop dangerous subway surfing. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. The University of South Florida is seeking a videographer and editor in Sarasota, Florida. Digital Plus Solutions has an opening for a drone pilot in Kansas City, Missouri. Fox Corporation is in search of a photographer in Seattle, Washington, and Mac Industries is looking for a UAS test pilot in Austin, Texas. With that said, let's fly in. Every year during the winter holidays, we put on our 12 days of giveaways, giving you a chance to get a free drone or drone accessory. Wondering how you can be entered to win? Just follow us on Instagram and read the caption for each post so you can learn how to enter. We'll be giving away a DJI Mini 2 as well as a lot of other cool drone goodies. Even if you're not on Instagram, just create an account and follow us so you can be eligible to enter. Each day is a new prize and you'll have a chance to enter until December 15th. Winners will be announced Monday, December 18th. Good luck to everyone who enters. Our next story covers how Alaska Dot is testing a DJI M30 drone and DJI Dock, which have benefits for reducing avalanche hazards to roadways and other applications. The test, conducted in partnership with DJI, demonstrated the capabilities of the DJI M30 docking station. The docking station allows the drone to automatically launch and land from a fixed location. It also provides the drone with the ability to recharge its batteries and swap payloads, making it an ideal solution to long-term and frequently recurring operations in remote and challenging environments. As you can guess, this could be a great setup for areas where avalanches occur. These tests are noteworthy because the DJI Dock has often been called a product without a market. Given that using it will probably require permission to fly beyond visual line of sight or BVLOS, most operators can't leverage the technology. The Alaska Dot hasn't mentioned whether it has a BVLOS waiver for its tests, so it sounds like it could just be using the dock within line of sight. And finally, have you ever heard of subway surfing? And I'm not talking about the mobile game. In these real-life scenarios, teenagers climb on top of elevated subway carts and ride or surf them. And yes, it's just as dangerous as it sounds. To stop this behavior, the NYPD is using drones to spot teens standing on top of subway trains, enabling officers on the ground to catch those doing it. The footage has been used for some arrests, but the main goal is deterrence. According to the NYPD, they're not putting most teens caught subway surfing into the system. Instead, they're showing the footage to their parents or guardians in hopes of preventing future incidents. The main age range for these teens is 12 to 15 years old. And before we wrap up, we wanted to let you know that we have finished voting for our Drone Fails November submissions and we'll be announcing the winners next week. Again, thank you all for submitting, and don't forget to start submitting for December as well. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What are you hoping to win from our 12 days of giveaways? And what do you think about Alaska Dot testing with the DJI M30? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend, and to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.